Hello and welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by InyoPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I'm Matthew. Top of the morning to you.
Oh, hello.
You like my Irish?
It's all right.
It was my Jamaican. We have a question from Arnell in New Jersey. It goes as such. What kind of sand should I use in my sand filter?
Well, Arnell, you want to check with your manufacturer's owner's manual, but most manufacturers are going to recommend a number 20 silica sand, which is a 0.45 to 0.55 millimeter size.
Yeah, you don't want to go anything outside of that, because if you go too fine, then it's going to kick up. It may get through the laterals and go back into your pool, which is never fun. Mm-hmm. Or if it's too big, then it might not be able to filter the whatever dirt gets in there.
It's just slide right
find
through.
A hole, find a hole, like Walter Payton. But number 20 is very uniform size, so it allows it to catch the dirt that you want caught.
Yeah, and you can find it at pretty much any hardware store or any local pool store.
Yeah, just maybe in someone's backyard.
Yeah.
Just dig around. But I think that covers it.
Yep.
Thank you for the question, Arnell. You will be receiving your $10 off reward code in the email. Mm-hmm. If you have any questions, feel free to send it to upload@inyopools.com or give us a call at 877-372-6038. Bye.